So, andito tayo ngayon sa Scandia Suites in South Forbes, Silang, Cavite to check a foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, ito na po ang pinakamurang condo unit dito sa New Valley, South Forbes area. This is in Scandia Suites in South Forbes City, Silang, Cavite. So this is 1 bedroom, 30 square meters. Actually, open layout po yung second floor niya. So pagpasok nyo po, dito po yung kitchen natin. Okay, meron na tayong cabinets. And then meron po tayong bathroom and meron din po siyang laundry area. Yon, yung pintuan na yon. So ito yung pinaka dining area niya. Okay, sa may hagdan. Tapos itong living area niya. So ang view niya is yung kabilang building. Ito, meron tayong aircon provision dyan. Sa may laundry area yung labasan ng hangin niya. As you can see, marami po siyang gamit, appliances, furniture, kalat, and kasama na po yan sa sale pag binili po natin tong property because as is where is po tayo dito. So, dito sa second floor, ayan, marami pa rin pong kalat. Ayan. So, kasama po yan sa sale. Ito yung bed frame niya. Ayan. Pwede kayo maglagay ng enclosure dito. Enclosure or partition for the bedroom. Or pwede naman na ganyan na lang, open layout. So, marami ditong paintings. Siguro artist ang previous owner nito. So again, this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance. Bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. The selling price is 2,570,000. This is below market value because yung mga pre-selling condo units ngayon dito sa may South Forbes, New Valley area, mga around 16 or 18 square meters, nasa 5 million and up na po siya. Okay? This is very ideal for end use or pwede nyo po siyang parentahan or Airbnb dahil malapit po to sa may St. Scholastica, Ayala, West Grove, and sa may Calax and sa New Valley. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly.